Hello all, welcome to Make Sense Mondays, where we talk about some of the most confusing and the biggest questions I get on a regular basis. Today, we're going to talk about prescription drug formularies. You ever went to get a prescription drug and found out it was a lot more than you thought? Have you ever looked at your benefit summary and seen multiple different costs for prescription drugs and wonder what that's all about? Well, it's all about your formula. Formulary is a list of medications that is usually put into different tiers. Tier 1 are generally going to be your generic drugs. Tier 2 are going to be your formulary or on the list brand name drugs, and tier 3 will be your non-formulary drugs. And then tier 4, you're going to have some of your self-injectable drugs, cancer screening drugs, these kind of things. So those are the 4 tiers. The higher the number of the tier, the higher you're paying out of your pocket. Now, this is the way that insurance companies keep costs manageable for themselves. But what do you do when things get unmanageable for you? Here are a list of resources when a prescription drug gets a little too expensive for you. So first, check your health plan's formulary. Log into your health insurance portal. Make sure that this prescription drug is covered. If it's not covered, ask your doctor to provide one that might be covered. Look up the tier. If it's a higher level tier, there might be a pre-authorization needed. Ask your doctor if there is a lower cost prescription drug that is covered by your formulary. If you need to get your formulary, you can call member services, you can call your broker, you can log into the website for the insurance company and download that. Remember, Control F is your friend. Another way to save money is the manufacturer's copay assistance and coupons. A lot of times you might find a prescription drug is hundreds of dollars, maybe thousands of dollars through your health plan. But if you go straight to the manufacturer, many times you can qualify for very, very deep discounts. There's also pharmacy discount programs and cash prices. Try sites like GoodRx, really good place to start. They might have a cheaper option for you on that prescription drug. SingleCare.com is another one. RxSaver.com. These are 3 great resources that if you're taking regular expensive drugs, you should look into these discount sites. There are also prescription assistance foundations for high cost specialty drugs, or if you're uninsured or underinsured, go to needymeds.org. So needymeds.org is a great place for you. Patientassistance.com, as well as PPARX. So that's the Partnership for Prescription Assistance, PPARX.org. Talk to your pharmacist or your doctor. Ask if there's a therapeutic alternative, a different drug that treats the same thing that's more affordable. They may also be able to help you appeal a denial. If your drug was expensive because it was denied, working alongside with your doctor to prove why this is medically necessary and this particular prescription drug is the most important will be critical to maybe reversing that denial. Thanks for checking in. These are some ways you can save some money on prescription drugs. See you soon.